we are going to use the trade moving average 5 cross the resistance. I'm sorry, I have to put the order first, then I'll explain to you. I'm going to
Order
put a sell
filled.
order. Then I'm going to go a little bit more explanation. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we using support resistance. This is the resistance, and we have moving average 5 cross the support, which became. So we are going to. I put a short. Okay, there is a possibility that it go down all the way up to first resistance right here. So my order will be small, then it go all the way to here, then it go all the way to here. So what we do on every one of them, we are going to put an order to get exit on this support right here, which is 13,361. We're short, so we are going to put a buy one. And then after we reach that number is going to go up, then we watch what's
Order
happening. If it's
filled.
it's already been filled. So, and then we are going to go, looks like so easy to use that. It's already that maybe it go back up. So we are going to watch two things. We are going to watch if it go to the next support to resistance, or it's going to go all the way to 13,342. So if it cross that, there is a big possibility we'll go to 13,342. So we are going to, we pick a small amount I should get in right here on this bar, but I didn't catch it. But we'll make a little bit small amount. So far we almost did. I take the small and the big one. Look at this, it's going up. The bar is stick right here on this support. Every line of those, there's a support became resistant, and the resistance support became support. So if the market, if the price is dropped below your support line, that's mean it is going to become resistance after that if the price try to go back up. So right now I'm going to go sell, and I'm going to put the goal right here. $13,343. I'm just have to prepare myself. We're getting close right here, so we watch it very close. Oops. So we have a sell market.
Order filled.
I didn't pay attention. And then I'm going to put also a buy right here, which will give me nice profit. There you go. See, I don't have to worry about it. It's automatic. It's showing the profit right here. Right here. This is a Nasdaq, by the way. I do apologize, I didn't mention. It's a Nasdaq. And look at the slope. It's going down. The slope is going down. It doesn't take me too long to realize what
Cross
I'm
below
supposed
zero.
to do, what
Cross
I'm doing
below
or
zero.
I'm not doing. And by the way, watch for moving average 25.
Order
What's
filled.
crossing? Oops, look, I didn't forget. We got 225 almost. We made 442 in no time. And I'm going to go put another tape. Look, it did not stop, but I'll bet you money like here is going to, let's go extend that to the right here. It's going to go back up. Look at moving average 5. It did not. Look, it's going to go up, and this is the support. I'm going to buy one at the market.
Order filled.
And then I'm going to go very looks good to me. And let's go next, support resistance. So we'll put our order. It's going to go at least to this number here, maybe this one. Let's go take the first support resistance, which is right here, 13. Let's go 13,353. And we are going to put one sell order. Oops, it passed that. I don't even have a chance. So I'm going to find, yep, no, not yet. Sell it. It passed it. Okay, so we're going to go exit right here because we go to the second. I don't have a chance to put the other one. Close the position.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's get us so far 580 bucks. Watch. And then from this support right here, resistance, we're going to extend the line just to see. Number one, I want you to understand this line will move here. This is the line that should be here. Watch, it would going to be here, and then what's happened? It's going to go all the way up because of the space, the gap between this support and this resistance is too big. This will open the gap, will open for us a big gap to go here. So right now we are on this support resistance. I have personal will say if this line, the red one, does not go down to the where it should be, I personally will go above. Let's go see here what's happening. I'm going to do here, make it bigger. So I can zoom in. Then we are going to, based on that, see this line reverse, you know, the reverse position is show up. We put the order, is show up, and boom. We are going to reach that number by anyway. I'm telling you. It's going to go all the way up to here. This is the next one. So it's have to go to the resistance. Otherwise, how is going to drop? Okay. The key after that, what the next step? It could touch it. See, Renko is a little bit tricky. You have to know that is when you see any square of those, it does not mean this is the price. Look, the square in the form right here, but the price still keeping up. And then since it's not form another square, that mean it didn't mean that it didn't go up above this line. That's not the pivot. That's the pivot could be way more than that. So we are going to watch. We have two things here. Number one, we have a Magdi. Magdi Mac is crossing, so there's a possibility we'll go way more up. Number two, we are going to watch if that moving average 5 is going to cross that support or not. If it crosses the support, then we have the next level will be here, but this line was not going to stay here. This line is going to move here. Watch. I don't know, I need to do something about that screen every time I move the mouse. Look at this. Now we have a red one. I don't think we are going to reach all that line. So we are going to go short.
Order filled.
And that short is going to touch all the way up to that line right here. Watch. Right here. See? I told you. So when it reaches that line, you should go exit, because it may go back up again. Look. I should hit exit right away. So we are going to go, it may reach that support again, but I am not sure. I have to get exits right here.
Order filled.
We make another 80-90 bucks or something is better, but because see what's happened here, it's hit that this line here, it hit it, but see it's moving. I told you one of the rule I use when it's this cross, that means it is going to be the exit. Look at this, what's happening here. I told you it's going to touch that line, and then it may go back up again. So we're not going to do anything right now. We are assuming that line right here and this line is one of support and one is resistance, but let's go find out what happened. I have a problem with my mouse, what they do compare related to the chart. Maybe I have to call Trader Station and find a solution why every time I move my mouse the things on the chart is move with it. Maybe I am the one, it's my mistake somewhere. But anyway, we get our profit all the way up to here. So the next step we do is we see if it's moving average 5 cross this support here. If it did, then we have a possibility
Bearish
to go
alert.
all the way. We have it may go all the way up to here. There's the next support resistance, so we'll see. I'm in my car, and that's probably is a problem. Okay, so I'm going to go short right here.
Order filled.
And we're going to go from here. We're going to go put limit order exit at 13,304. Even if we go 13,3,
Cross below 0. Cross
let's
below
go for
0.
that support resistance right here. I see a lot of resistance right here, so let's go here. You know, 13,310. Let's go make it 13,310. We're going to buy one at 13,310. And let's go see how good is this trade. If we do see one of this reverse line, reverse direction, then
Cross
we're gonna
below
listen
0.
to it.
Cross below 0. Cross below 0.
Oh. We'll see what happens. Yeah, yeah. So I will go personal exit right here. I see it going down. Yeah. What does this mean? Yeah, I will get out. Some of those will say, hey, you are reaching that number, and it's down. Yeah, I'm supposed to get out. No, that's not good.
Order filled.
I lose some money, but it's better to do it this way, because if we go rally, then we have a problem. Yeah. There is support resist. I didn't see it somewhere here. Yeah, right here. So, but anyway, we are going to see what is. We lost one. We make few of them, and we are going to see what is the next. I'll not extend this one right now. Keep it back. This is what it looks like. That telling me if it's not show up, that means the market's going to still go down. So we're going to go short right here. So on a critical line right there, what we will do, we are going to see if moving average 5 is going to cross that support or not. If it does go cross the support, then it's going to go back up. Watch. Then it's going to go up, first level up to here, then all the way up. So we'll see what's happening here. Let's go make it bigger. There is blue line. I think it's going to go down here. See, I think it's not one of the language I like. So we are going to see what we see is what we trade. What we see, that is going to go up. We are going to go buy
Order
market,
filled.
and then after buy market, we are going to go what is the next support to resistance.
Below 0. Below 0.
And so next support to resistance will be here
Very short.
or here. What is going on here? Doesn't look like it did go through. No, it didn't go through. It's my mistake.
Cross of 0.
I should wait for another bar complete. So see that moving average change with the bar complete. So but anyway, if this complete here, we have to reverse. Oh man, reverse.
Order filled.
So we're going to reverse. We're going to go next support resistance. So next support resistance right here. Like we said that from the beginning, but anyway. $13,305. We're going to buy one. Oh no, we need to buy only one. Then we buy two, because here it may go back up again. Buy two will make us reverse on this one, but I'm sorry I made a mistake on the first one. I should. I tell you what, the reason I made a mistake. This is here
Below zero.
average
Below
25,
zero.
and I use you should, and no, it shouldn't. Was not good enough to reverse. It reverse, yes, it is. I should get exit here. Wait until that will be happen. And remember one thing here. One of the rules we have. Oh, it did cross, okay. When it cross, okay, you will have a support resistance right here somewhere. Okay. I'm going to go grab a coffee since we are all together watching this. And what I don't like here is moving average 25. Direction starts getting a little bit slope change, but we'll see what's happening here, because what we do, if we have another loss, and this is very important, what we will do, we are going to go instead, we be sure that we're going to the right direction, then instead to sell one or to buy one, we sell two or buy two. So we switch it and we add one more contract, but be careful when you do that. Okay? See, you have two dots. I don't like that. I'm going to get exit. I'm going to exit right here. Then we go
Order
from there,
filled.
because that's not what I like. The next time we are going to go buy two contracts. You see, moving average 25, it's being change the slope. So when it changes the slope, I don't like that. So now we are on the resistance, previous resistance. So we'll see if it's moving average 5 is going to cross that. If it does, then we have a nice move up. Then in that case, I will buy two contracts instead of one contract.
Cross below 0.
Oops, I didn't wish I'm driving.
Order filled.
Cross below 0. Cross below 0.
Let's go see what the next support resistance.
Cross below 0.
So that is another support resistance and pay attention to it. I should get in and out right here. Uh, okay, if it passes the support resistance, we are going to go next level, which is right here. Oh, I forget to tell you, right here, look, what's happened. It moved. Support resistance right here, look how I didn't pay attention to it. It's my mistake. We go up, we should go short right here, and then watch, I should get out right here, then I should watch for this and the moving average cross, and look what's happened. So I am mistaken, and I'm not going to say I'm not, but I am. This is the next support resistance. 13,373. So if we put
Cross above 0.
13,373,
Bullish alert.
13,373 will be fine. I make mistake too. 73. I'm going to, we are long 2. We are going to go close to sell 2. And the moving average Magdi Mac is does cross in 0, So it's a good sign too. You're moving to the long direction. Look at this. When you go to the short right here, it's telling you you are on a shorter direction. When here it's telling you you're going to the long direction. But you cannot use that only because see when you go short here, how much profit you make. That's not that much. I'll get my coffee. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back again. I'll tell you what other option we can go to get out. You see that support resistance right here? If we extend it to the right, when this moving average 25 cross or touch this, if it's below, if moving average 25, I'm sorry, I'm not a good speaker, and it touch this line right here, then we can get exits unless it reach our price right here first. So by anyway, we have a good chance to make couple bucks. Look at this, the support resistance is moving, that 5 cross that line and in them way right here to reach this. So we'll see, have a patience and we will make it work. Remember guys, all this is a training. It is not, you are not supposed to use that on your money. It's a live trading on live price, but it doesn't mean that you do use your own money right now. And the good things, I'm not I'm posting that, so it will be after time, so nobody can use this prices right now as we speak, because it is already being delay. It's done. I am trying to post that. I would like to post that. That's on Nasdaq. I would like everybody to email me at iAmmagdi57 at gmail.com and tell me what they like to trade next day. So I am Magdi57 at gmail.com, or you can join my room at Facebook, Magdi Support to Resistance. Go look and apply and be one of the members. I will post everything on it and you guys can see the difference. So when I train anybody on anything, I train them based on what we see, not just we telling people, here you have to go buy here, you have to sell here. No, let's go show them that's unreal, you can do that. So but anyway, I'm going, before I close today video, I'm going to type my email address, or I'm going to type also join Facebook Magdi Support Resistance. And look at this, we have so far 400 gross profit. I mean, before we spend on the cost of the chart and all the stuff. Magdi Support Resistance, it cost $9.95, and its work was trade station, and I'm not in a position to sell it yet, but you can, I mean, you put your name, your email address, and be ready. When I finish all the coding, then you guys can buy it. It worked for one customer, and it worked for any market, because I'm going to trade gold, and we can trade whatever you guys want. Everybody, I mean, anybody can send me what they like to see the trading support resistance with any mark. I mean, if you want to trade gold, you want to trade silver, you want to trade Japanese yen, Swiss franc, whatever you want to trade, you can use that, and that's a good one. We're almost there to go out. Look, I think 550, 575, 600 bucks is good for today, for this moment. So I'm going to close that position right now.
Order filled.
Oh, it's hit already. That's good. Perfect. Okay. So at that close, we made good money today, except the negative I did by mistake when I did here in the bottom support right now. It's my fault. I think it's going to keep rally. I'm going to leave it open right now, because that rally, I think, is going to stay until it's hit. It may go down a little bit, then when moving average 5 cross the support line, the support to resistance line, I think that will be I don't know if anybody. I mean, I know I've seen a lot of companies or traders. They do have trading room, but this is not a trading room. This is training, not training. Training. So in that case, we will see what is how is the program work live. The gold right here. Let's go look at the gold and Japanese yen. This is. Oops, what's happened to the gold? Oh, right, no. Yeah, this is the gold. I did talk about the market crash. So let's go for the trading today, day trading, not a long short. Right here, you have support resistance on this area. It may go down a little bit and then it go back up. We'll see what's happened. And then we have the Japanese yen. I'm going to check that for you. Give me a second. I'm driving. I know some people will not like that. How come you drive and trade? Yeah. This is the daily trade. This is the weekly. And this is for long term. This looks like when it crashes, it's going to go back up. In the market crash, the gold will go up. Okay, we're moving across. There's two. I'm not convinced here yet because I have N, I have U, and I have another N right here. I'll make it that bigger. It's cross above. You know, sometimes you're not 100% sure. So what's happened here? We have the red dots. I will go for the green. I know I may miss some kind of profit here, but not convinced yet. Because I'll tell you why. Because the moving average 25 is close to cross or touch that support line. Resistance line. So when this happens, that means will be a pivot somewhere. I'm not convinced. Even moving average 25 is straight up, and even I have Magdi on moving average cross up. So we'll see. I'm not convinced. Let's go back to Nasdaq. Yeah, the big opportunity a little bit longer, but I'm not taking a chance yet because this, when it hits the support here or closes support and it starts going down, okay, then what I'm looking for another sign to tell me we are going to go up. There is a sign right here, and there is going short, but it may go touch the support first before we go back up again. We'll see that. You have to get in and out when you do have a lot more than one indicator that telling you it's good to go. Right now, look, it's reverse line is being formed. I don't like that. And you can see the reverse line, reverse right here, right here. So doesn't make me too happy to trade. We'll see what's happening here. We lost the communication. Okay. So now you can see it's going to touch that support resistance, like I said.
Cross below 0. Cross below 0.
And Magdi
Cross
moving
below
area.
0.
There's a possibility that was a pivot right here, and that pivot will go start the back and down again. So how come I didn't do it? I don't know. It's my mistake. No. Oh. Okay. So we're looking for short signal. I'm not going to jump in the middle. Never jump in the middle. So far we have $650. Even after all the negative we did, or the mistake I did, not your mistake, my mistake. Just to give you an idea, when this moving average 25 is change the slope, and you have one like here, like reverse here, that's normally is going up. But
Cross
anyway,
below
see we
0.
have two dot green on the same support resistance. We will see what happened here. Another thing you should look at it is drawing. I want to make it easy here. Okay, it's go all the way to here to 50 I think, if I'm not mistaken, and it's going to go back up. Yeah, that's the time to buy again, right
Order
here,
filled.
because the slope is going up. That is going to go back up. It's going to cross all the way up to here again. Watch. It's just settled 50% and let's go back again. I just get back home. It is hesitating a little bit, but the slope of moving average 25 is still up, still positive. So we still can have a good trade right here. Here you go. Starting going back again. By the way, when I trade right now from my car or taking my little bit laptop with me, it is connected to my main computer, because laptop, it may not be the right one to use. But look at this. It's going to go back up again. Then I'm going to put another order, same price, support resistance close to that. Maybe do this is 13,370. Have one up. We sell one at that price. We'll see what's happening here. Sometimes I don't like it when it do that, but hey. I don't like that. Okay, so we left this go assuming we have a long positive the slope of 25. Okay, so the mistake we have here, I ignore the cross, I ignore the line, the reverse line, I ignore the reverse right here on the blue dot or the purple dot. It may go back again up, but that is not excuse. I know it's going to go back up again. Yeah, I'm supposed to do this. I'm supposed to wait. If I get exit, or I reverse until I go see another signal like reverse line. I'm showing you all the mistake I did so you guys will understand. I can make mistake, you guys can make mistake, but this here opportunity to reverse, if it's reverse, then we are not going to lose money on this trade, but it will teach us too that we should not do that. I put the line of Fibonacci, and the problem is I have another line. Look at this on the 21%. This is another line when moving average 5 cross down that 21%, I should get out or I should reverse. So but anyway, we'll see what's happened here. We are not gambling because I know there is reverse support right here somewhere, and we'll see what's going on and then we go from there. I see moving average going kind of horizontal line. This is going horizontal line. It may not, it may not, just we'll see. This all of it training here, so we are not really losing the money, we're not making the money. So far we have 650 profit minus whatever we can lose here, or we can get even, so we go from there. If we broke even on this one here, I would like to get out get out, and then we look what mistake I did and what we supposed to learn from it. There is a possibility here, a big possibility, is going to go so. If it does go up, I'm going to show you something here. Let me get rid of no, we don't want to move a trend line, we need to move remove Fibonacci. We're going to remove Fibonacci. So if this showing here reverse line, then what this means, this support line will move up to here, so we're getting the gap between the support and resistance is going to go shrink. So start getting shrink, so be careful for that. When it shrink is the time, that means the market going sideways. When the market goes sideways, then what will happen here? Then we don't trade most, unless you're really professional, know what you're doing. Right now I have a 45, 50, 35. It may go up to that line. When it go up to that line, I am going to get exits. Even if going to be more profits, but I prefer to lose $45 or something and I get exit, then I stay and it flip again on me. It does show here it's going to go up. I prefer to get out. Oh, look at this, it's going out already on the positive part. So but anyway, I prefer to get out.
Order filled.
So we still have $623. I know it's going to go back up again, especially when it cross zero, and it's going to hit this number right here. But let's go evaluate what we're doing, because that market right here, that support line is going to move to here, to that line. So we will have one bar down, one bar up, a big sign. Guys, be careful. See, that would be a nice U. See, I like the shape of the U. I like the shape of the N. The N, especially if it's that bar is small and this bar is big. That means the markets go down. When this bar, look at it. So we are going to go back again here. Look. So when we did leave it for trade in, I was not doing it for good luck or bad luck maybe, but I still have moving average 25 slope up, but I should get exit here. I should buy again here because there's another support line right here. Look. Why I didn't do it, I don't know. I may be emotional, I don't know. It's just wrong things to do. This will move above this line here. It may go to the other support line. So I know that when we move all the way right here, the first things we are going to look at, one thing, if moving average 5 cross the support or not. But I think that will shrink. Like when here it shrink. See that shrink and move cross up? That's what will be happen. Okay, that's good enough for today training. And I did posted also what will going to be the market crash. I did show people here on support to another place, the weekly market right here. This for the S&P and this for the Nasdaq, and I did recommend one things. You buy in straddle, and it's a good idea. The market may crash between June and December. It may start early on March, I don't know, but look, this is the weekly one, and I did post that. So right now this is around hour and a half from the market. Yeah, around hour and a half, probably a little bit more longer. Look here, that is going to be cross. When you see one of that reverse, this line here, the support, the resistance will move all the way up to here. It will go like this up, and then what? The gap between the resistance and the support will be huge, big. That's where I get my number 2142 from on S&P, or 2200. So it may not happen right now. It may go up a little bit more, but guys, this is a support resistance. It's hit really high, and the same here with the Nasdaq. It's going to be happen, but when will be happen, I don't know. Same thing. This is a weekly, and I'm going to show you something here quick. 08, 09, when it crash. Hold a second. I'm on a different radar screen. When it crash, boom! It's crazy what happened here. It is crazy. But look here at the drop from 08, boom. This is the top. It drop, boom. It's between March, June, all the way to December, right here. But anyway, good luck for tomorrow. Sometime I do training for some charts after markets, because when the market is closed and open again, this is extension time. You can trade S&P and the Nasdaq. Thanks. Give me a call. If you are from my room already, that would be perfect. If it's not,